Do you know that you can add Type-C to your PC desktop in 3 different ways? First method is PCIe card, which you can just plug straight away to any 16 or 4 or 8 pin port on your motherboard, and then it will provide you a USB-C port. Usually they come powered by SATA, so they can give power delivery also. Second method, if your motherboard comes with a Type-C input on the motherboard itself, you can get this part to connect it to your motherboard, and then you will get a USB input on your device. Third method and final one, you can get any of these USB hubs and then connect it to your device. It's preferred to be a powered USB hub, so it can give you a better output from it. I have recorded a video adding a USB-C to my motherboard. You can watch it in the link in the bio or just down here.